Hello everyone, my name is Laurentius Kunchoro Prabowo Saputra. I am a doctoral degree student from Mechatronics Engineering RMUTT, and in this video I want to share to you how to make simulation and control PLC Siemens using SCADA Simon. Okay, for the first you should open the TIA Portal version 16 program, and after the program is already open, we can create new project. We use the project 1 for the name and create, and we need to waiting for creating project. It takes a long time for creating project, and after finish for create project, we need to configure the device and add new device. In this video, I use PLC Semantic S71200. As you can see, we can find the PLC series here, and then we can find the CPU. For the CPU, we can see the CPU is 1214C DC-DC relay. So 1214, 1214C, 1214C. This one, DC-DC relay. And we can choose the PLC and add the device. Waiting to configure the device in the TIA portal. Still loading. Okay, now we can go to the next step is create the tag. We can use PLC tag here in the left side and show all tags, and then we can put for the first tag is start. With the address I use M for memory, address 0, and then stop with M01, and then for the motor we can set for the key. Q means output, okay, bit number 0. After that, we can create the program blocks here. You can double click the main block. Okay, we need to put normally open here, and we can set this as a start, and normally close, here as a stop, and then the motor, okay, here. Okay, this one is motor. And also for the second row, we can put the normally open motor. Okay, we can connect it to first row. Okay, like this. Now we need to make connection between computer to the PLC. Okay, we should make connection to the Siemens, so we can set our IP. We can go to control panel, and then network and internet, network sharing, and for the adapter, and we can find okay, yes, this one, Realtek USB, and we need to set the IP for our computer. My IP is 192.168.0.20 with the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Okay, because for the PLC has IP is 192.168.0.1. Okay, and after this we need to make our setup device configuration. Okay, general, we need to check online option. Okay, go online first. Okay, we can find Realtek and then start search. Okay, the computer already get our PLC with the address is 192.168.0.1. Okay, we need to configure the permission. So double click in device configuration and then go to the properties. Properties and general, and we need to find connection mechanism, and we can checklist permit access with put or get communication from remote partner. And also we need to make sure the access level is full access here. After this we can download, go to the program, the main program, and we need to download, or you can also compile first your program. I will compile. Okay, no error, is successful compile. After this we can download to the device, and we need to search the device. Okay, we can choose this device and load. We need to load. Okay, continue without synchronization, and we need to set the stop all and load. Okay, the program is already download to uh, PLC, to the device. You can click finish. Okay, the load program is complete, is already complete, and now we can try to simulate or to run the program. We can click here, monitoring on off. Waiting for the process, and we can see here, we can push start with right click, with in the start, right click and modify with 1. Okay, you can see that the output key 0 is on now, and then I release the start button and I will stop, and you can see that key 0.0 is off now. And if we push the start button again with 1, and I forget to release the stop button, now the output is on, and I release the start button and also set the stop button. Okay, the output is off. Okay, now our PLC already programmed, and we can make user interface with Simon and control our PLC. So we can stop this one, we can stop the connection, and we need to open Simon D. Okay, we need to new project, Simon control. Okay, for the first, we need to configure I/O devices. We new device, we can use Siemens S7 series Ethernet and send receive here. Okay, we need to put the name Siemens S7. Okay, and then add station 1. For the CPU slot is number, we need to choose the PLC CPU slot. In our TIA portal, we can see that our PLC, where is the PLC? Okay, this one. The PLC is on slot 1. Okay, we can configure the PLC CPU slot number 1. Okay, for the IP address for our PLC is 192.168.0.1. Okay, we can click OK. And for the communication port, this is for our computer IP 192.168.0.20. Okay, we can save, and we can add COM block. The COM block is block number M, address 0, and this one 10, and then add COM block 1, key 0. Okay, I delete first and com block m1 then okay, com block this one. Okay, we need to q0. Okay, and save, close. Okay, after after this we need to make a tag. I need new tag with start is a digital real tag I get from this station, and M00. Okay, and for the second is stop M01, and for the last is motor key 00. Okay, for the tag is finished. Now we need to make the user interface. We put switch, select shape, open. You can choose any the button. I use this, and for the state 1 you can choose your favorite button. Okay, this is for the start button, and I will copy. Is for stop button. We can set. Now we need to set the bit switch. I set the momentary with the text is start. Okay, and this one is bit switch with momentary, the tag is stop. Okay, and also I set the animation. Okay, for the animation bitmap cooling tower here. I put this one. I put here, and then I need to set this cooling tower active when the tag is motor. Okay, and also text I put here on, and text is off. We need to set style is 100. Okay, need more bigger. Okay, hit this. Okay, like this with 200, and okay, and then this, and for off. Okay, and for the visible tag is start when on. for off, visible tag is stop when off. Okay. And now we need to set Simon environment. We need to save first for the page 1. Save, and we need to config this way, page 1. Okay. After this, we can run the Simon, run Simon X. Okay. And now we need to make sure the connection our laptop or our computer to the PLC with network. And now the connection is already established, yes, from our laptop IP to the PLC IP. And with this we can see that our program can be control the PLC. We can click now and off. Okay, off. You can see that our PLC we can control our PLC using this. Okay, you see, and off. But the value is for the text is still wrong. We can correct it. We can exit now. Can exit, and this visible is when start on, and off is the start. Okay, we can check. Okay, we can try again. Okay, now the machine is off and we can run with press start button. And stop. Okay, still wrong. Okay, we need to correct this one. Visible start. Maybe we can use this motor. Okay, motor off, and then this one is motor, not start button. Okay, we can save and run again. Okay, now we can see the text is off, the status is off. We can run. Okay, the cooling water is running, and then the text or the status is on, and we can stop. The status is stop and the cooling water is off, and we can see the relay or the PLC is also work. When I press start, the PLC is running. When I push stop, the PLC is off. Okay, this is the video how to make a program for Simon PLC and make user interface using Simon SCADA. I think it's the end of our video. Is my video. I hope you can follow the step and you can make by yourself. Thank you very much.